Hey guys, we're back with another Demolition Derby video. So, I left off on this track. I'm going to start it back up. So, sorry about the music in the background. I didn't play it since, so it might be a little, bad, but... Oh, I never knew this. I'm doing better than last time. You guys remember last time? I didn't do very well. Oh, I'm not doing very well either. This one. Third place already, man. It sucks. Sorry about the no videos for yesterday or whatever. But I'm back on... It's Demolition Monday or something? I don't know. Not Demolition Monday. Demolition Sunday. But it's not Sunday today. I think I lost this race already. I'm not very well at this race. Oh god, let's go. I need to hurry up and win this race quickly. Oh shoot, there's 3 laps? I don't want to do 3 laps. Ugh. Sorry about the mosquito biter thingy in the background. Kill it now. Get away, bug, you stupid bug. I need to start this over. Because the stupid bug in here is trying to kill me or something. I don't know. But I'm going to make a video on Sunday or Saturday or something. I'm going to do it like not weekly, but like I'm starting back over. So we're not gonna. Well, I'm gonna do videos on the Wii. So I'm in second place. Hit the car, hit the car, hit the car. I'm doing a video.
What?
I'm doing a video. I'm trying to pause it. No, don't. I'm in the middle of a race. I'm starting it all over. I'm starting a race over. So, sorry if I'm blocking the whole screen. I just can't, like, not have the whole screen to myself. I'm trying to give all the quality. Oh, Jesus! Oh, goodness. So, it's going to be up on Tuesday. It might be up on today, too. I don't know. I'm not the best at this game, so I installed it I don't know, like a month ago. But this car is Demolition Derby, duh. Oh, it's another car. Okay, that's a little too difficult. And I'm gonna turn this car into a beast. Yeah, a beast. Oh my god. I suck at this race. I might have to just give up. You also can change views. So I'm gonna start this race all over again. Sucks. Oh, I can turn on the steering sensitive. Oh, okay. So I might not steer like crazy now. Okay, good. So, okay. Now, if I steer, it's not gonna be like crazy out of control. I mean, normal. I'm not cheating or anything. It's just like, am I blocking the camera?
No.
Am I blocking the thing?
No.
Not at all.
Nope.
I think I have to start this all over because I'm not doing very well on this. So, sorry the video's kind of long, but oh, I know why I'm messing up.
Why?
It's because of Demolition Derby.
Oh.
God. Really? Are you kidding me?
It is?
Oh, I'm just making videos. So yeah. yeah, I'm not doing very well right now. But, oh my god! 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 Stop! 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 Trying to catch up to this guy. It's not working. Tumble. So, sorry if I'm blocking the camera, or blocking the view of the computer, but I'm on my last lap. Let's go. Last lap, last lap, last lap. I'm on first place, first place. No. Like, get on the camera. And I got second. So yeah, I need to see the time on this camera. And 6 minutes. I'm probably gonna make the video another 4 minutes, so stay tuned for that. Sorry if the quality's bad. I don't have the best video quality. Freaking commercial. But if you like this game, then you should get it from the computer app store. So I'm gonna try that race over again because I don't trust what Okay, so it might be a little laggy. Okay, I'm starting off good. Oh, I'm not doing very well. Okay, tumble! Like, stop. Starting all over because my brother's getting in the camera.
What?
Stop. I need to get in front of the first place, okay? Starting the race over again because the steering sensitive. I'm turning it down to 1 because I don't want it to be too sensitive. Well, I kind of want it to be sensitive, but I don't want to be like 10% sensitive. Okay, so I spun that guy out. Let's go! Yes!
Yeah, that's true. That's all true too.
Okay, stop! Make a video. Get on my way, stupid!
Wait. They're told to shun from those who leave their group.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the video right now, cause bye.